Lockdown extended till 3rd May. Prime Minister Narendra Modi says during this time we must continue to follow discipline as we have been doing so far. WHO commends India's timely and tough actions to stop COVID-19. PM Modi says from 20th of April, after evaluation, certain places will be given some relaxation for essential services. Once if the conditions of lockdown are violated, relaxations will be withdrawn with immediate effect. PM Modi seeks support on 7 fronts, including taking care of elders and not violating Lakshman Rekha of social distancing in lockdown and making compulsory use of homemade face covers or masks. Indian Railways extend cancellation of all passenger train services in the wake of COVID-19 lockdown. All domestic and international scheduled airlines operations shall remain suspended till the midnight of the 3rd of May 2020. The total number of COVID-19 cases so far is 10,363, while 339 people have died from the virus. 1,036 people have been discharged. Meghalaya reports first case of COVID-19. Battle of humanity against COVID-19 continues across the world. More than 19 lakh cases reported to date. 1.19 lakh people have succumbed to the virus. US records 1,509 coronavirus daily deaths. France extends lockdown for another month. Italy's daily new coronavirus cases decline. IMF grants debt relief to 25 poor countries. And nation remembers Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar on his 129th birth anniversary today. President, Vice President and Prime Minister greet fellow citizens on the occasion. Dr. Ambedkar was the chief architect of the Indian Constitution and was India's first Minister for Law and Justice. Hello and welcome. You're watching DD News and DD India with me, Munmin Bhattacharya. Our top focus in the daily briefing by the Ministry of Health and Home Affairs, the latest figures of COVID cases over the last 24 hours was shared. Let's take a look at that. 179 cases have been cured or discharged, while 31 deaths have been reported. Overall, 1,211 cases have been reported over the last 24 hours. Talking of all India figures, the total number of positive cases stand at 10,363. Out of these, 8,988 cases are active, 1,036 have been cured or discharged, and there have been 336 fatalities so far. India plans to slowly reopen its economy while maintaining stringent curbs in COVID-19 hotspots, as even one new patient at the local level is a matter of concern. In his address to the nation today, Prime Minister Narendra Modi stressed that emergence of new hotspots are a challenge to our determination and resolve. He also appreciated the work done by state governments who have acted with full responsibility and are taking care of the situation 24/7.
भारत में लॉकडाउन को अब 3 मई तक और बढ़ाना पड़ेगा। स्थानीय स्तर पर अब एक भी मरीज बढ़ता है तो ये हमारे लिए चिंता का विषय होना चाहिए। जो रोज कमाते हैं, मेरी सर्वोच्च प्राथमिकताओं में इनके जीवन में आई मुश्किल को कम करना।
Prime Minister Narendra Modi taking the tough decision in the fight against coronavirus. He extended the lockdown. It will be stricter for the coming days till the 20th of April. That's when a thorough review of the situation at all levels will be undertaken. After that, conditional relaxations in areas which are outside of COVID-19 hotspots may be implemented.
20 अप्रैल तक लॉकडाउन का कितना पालन हो रहा है, उस क्षेत्र ने कोरोना से खुद को कितना बचाया है, इसका मूल्यांकन लगातार किया जाएगा। जो क्षेत्र इस अग्नि परीक्षा में सफल होंगे, वहां पर 20 अप्रैल से कुछ जरूरी गतिविधियों की अनुमति, छूटछाट दी जा सकती है। लेकिन याद रखिए, ये अनुमति सशर्त होगी। लॉकडाउन के नियम अगर टूटते हैं तो सारी अनुमति तुरंत वापस ले ली जाएगी।
To mitigate the impact of the lockdown on the poor and underprivileged, PM Modi assured that their welfare is a top priority. They would be kept in mind while drawing up fresh guidelines related to coronavirus on the 15th of April.
20 अप्रैल से चिन्हित क्षेत्रों में इस सीमित छूट का प्रावधान हमारे गरीब भाई बहनों की आजीविका को ध्यान में रखते हुए किया गया है। अब नई गाइडलाइंस बनाते समय भी उनके हितों का पूरा ध्यान रखा गया है। इस समय रबी फसल की कटाई का काम भी जारी है। केंद्र सरकार और राज्य सरकारें मिलकर प्रयास कर रही हैं कि किसानों को कम से कम दिक्कत हो।
PM also highlighted that the country has enough stock of medicines and ration, and hurdles in the supply chain are constantly being addressed. He also said that the country's health infrastructure is robust and being expanded. In January, there was just one lab for testing coronavirus. Today, there are over 220 such labs. The global experience shows that for every 10,000 patients, around 1,500 to 1,600 beds are needed. In India, currently, there are arrangements for over 1 lakh beds. Not just this, over 600 dedicated COVID hospitals have been set up, and these facilities are being expanded rapidly. PM Modi also urged young scientists to work for global and human welfare and take up the challenge of developing a vaccine for coronavirus. Bureau Report, DD India.
Well, here are the All India figures for you once again, and that is that the total number of positive cases stand at 10,363, and out of these, 8,988 cases are active. 1,036 people have been cured or they've been discharged, and there have been 339 fatalities so far, not 336 as stated earlier. The Union Health Ministry today briefed on the COVID-19 situation in the country. Spokesperson in the Health Ministry said that 602 dedicated COVID-19 hospitals having 1,06,719 isolation beds and 12,024 ICU beds have been readied in the country.
602 dedicated COVID hospital, जिसमें 1,06,719 आइसोलेशन बेड्स हैं और 12,024 ICU बेड्स हैं, वह हम तैयार कर चुके हैं स्टेट गवर्नमेंट के सहयोग से। इस नंबर में भी निरंतर बढ़ोतरी की जा रही है। जैसे जैसे सिचुएशन इवॉल्व हो रही है, हम स्टेट गवर्नमेंट के साथ मिलकर इस विषय में काम कर रहे हैं।
Spokesperson of the Health Ministry said that the situation of essential goods and services is under control in the country. She said free ration and food grains have been distributed to 5.29 crore beneficiaries under the Garib Kalyan Yojana.
स्टेट्स और यूनियन टेरिटरीज़ में लॉकडाउन को इन्फोर्स करने के लिए पब्लिक के साथ सारी सरकारें जुटी हुई हैं। एसेंशियल गुड्स और सर्विसेज की स्थिति नियंत्रण में है। प्रधानमंत्री गरीब कल्याण योजना के अंतर्गत लगभग 80 करोड़ व्यक्तियों को प्रति माह अगले 3 महीनों तक 5 किलो खाद्यान्न, उनकी पसंद अनुसार गेहूं अथवा चावल, फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट देने का प्रावधान किया गया है। इस संदर्भ में स्टेट्स और यूटीज के लिए अतिरिक्त खाद्यान्न का आवंटन किया गया है। गृह मंत्रालय का कंट्रोल रूम एसेंशियल गुड्स और सर्विसेज को 24/7 मॉनिटर कर रहा है तथा अपनी हेल्पलाइंस द्वारा लोगों की समस्याओं और शिकायतों का भी निदान कर रहा है। अभी तक इस कंट्रोल रूम ने मंत्रालयों और राज्य सरकारों के सहयोग से लगभग 5,000 शिकायतों का निदान किया है।
In his address to the nation, Prime Minister Narendra Modi appealed for people's support in these testing times. He urged the public to follow 7 rules, which are: take extra care for the elderly, follow social distancing at all costs, ensure proper nutrition and maintain immunity. Download the Arogya Setu app, care for the needy and respect those who are fighting this war on the front line.
मैं आपका साथ मांग रहा हूं, 7 बातों में आपका साथ। पहली बात, अपने घर के बुजुर्गों का विशेष ध्यान रखें, विशेषकर ऐसे व्यक्ति जिन्हें पुरानी बीमारी हो, उनकी हमें एक्स्ट्रा केयर करनी है। उन्हें कोरोना से बहुत बचाकर रखना है। दूसरी बात, लॉकडाउन और सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग की लक्ष्मण रेखा का पूरी तरह पालन करें। घर में बने फेस कवर या मास्क का, और वो भी घर में बने हुए, उनका अनिवार्य रूप से उपयोग करें। तीसरी बात, अपनी इम्यूनिटी बढ़ाने के लिए आयुष मंत्रालय द्वारा जो निर्देश दिए गए हैं, उसका अगर हम पालन करें, गर्म पानी है, काढ़ा है, इनका निरंतर सेवन करें। चौथी बात, कोरोना संक्रमण का फैलाव रोकने में मदद करने के लिए आरोग्य सेतु मोबाइल ऐप, आरोग्य सेतु मोबाइल ऐप जरूर डाउनलोड करें। दूसरों को भी इस ऐप को डाउनलोड करने के लिए प्रेरित करें। पांचवी बात, जितना हो सके उतने गरीब परिवार की देखरेख करें, उनके भोजन की आवश्यकता पूरी करें। छठी बात, आप अपने व्यवसाय, अपने उद्योग में अपने साथ काम करे लोगों के प्रति संवेदना रखें, किसी को नौकरी से न निकालें। सातवीं बात, देश के कोरोना योद्धाओं, हमारे डॉक्टर, नर्सेस, सफाई कर्मी, पुलिसकर्मी, ऐसे सभी लोगों का हम सम्मान करें, आदर पूर्वक उनका गौरव करें।
Well, the World Health Organization has commended India's timely and tough actions to stop COVID-19, reacting on the extension of the lockdown until the 3rd of May. WHO's Regional Director for Southeast Asia, Dr. Poonam Khetrapal Singh, said that it may be early to talk about results in numbers, but a 6-week nationwide lockdown to facilitate effective physical distancing, coupled with expansion of core public health measures such as detection, isolation and tracing contact of COVID-19 positive people would go a long way in arresting the virus spread. She added that despite huge and multiple challenges, India has been demonstrating unwavering commitment in its fight against the pandemic. In these testing times, the action lies as much with the communities as with the authorities and the health workforce. It is indeed time for each and every one to contribute their best and together beat the virus. Union Home Minister Amit Shah came out in support and thanked the PM for extending the lockdown for the welfare of people. Amit Shah, in a series of tweets, said that steps taken by India are exemplary and timely. He urged people to stand together and follow guidelines laid down by the government to beat coronavirus. He tweeted, "Today, even as the world is battling coronavirus pandemic, India under the leadership of Prime Minister Narendra Modi is leading by example. Timely measures taken by the government and people's participation has been exemplary. The decision taken by Prime Minister Narendra Modi to extend the lockdown till the 3rd of May is in the interest of the nation to safeguard people. I express my gratitude to the Prime Minister for taking this decision. The way states and the centre are working together to fight this outbreak is commendable. We now have to strengthen this coordination in order to smoothly implement the lockdown while ensuring that every citizen follows it and citizens do not face any difficulties. As the Home Minister of the country, I reassure one and all that we have sufficient stocks of medicines and essential goods. I also urge those who can afford too to come forward and help those in need. The contribution of doctors, healthcare workers, sanitation workers, police personnel as well as security personnel is commendable and moving. Their courage and wisdom inspire all Indians in these difficult times. I urge people to support them by following the guidelines. Describing the extension of lockdown as a necessary step, Vice President Venkaiah Naidu said that extending the lockdown reflects the concerns of the people and other stakeholders at this stage of our collective fight against coronavirus. Sharing a message on Facebook, he said, and I quote, "It's upon us to decide the duration of this fight." PM's announcement today extending the lockdown reflects the concerns of the people and other stakeholders at this stage of our collective fight against coronavirus. It highlights the widely held view that there is no room for complacency, even as our country did well so far, and the gains of lockdown 1.0 need to be sustained. People and all concerned should realize that final exit from lockdown depends on how well we behave during these testing times to contain the behavior and spread of the virus. The Prime Minister has duly articulated the concerns about livelihoods of vulnerable sections, assuring that they will be taken care of in the best possible way. I fondly hope the governments will formulate and execute necessary measures for the benefit of these sections, including farmers and farm workers. It is now in the hands of the people and all concerned to ensure desired results from Lockdown 2.0. I appeal to all to rise to the occasion with enhanced commitment to beat the challenge of the virus. We need to endure some hardship today for a better tomorrow. We shall triumph in the end. It's upon us to decide the duration of this fight. Let's act with responsibility to make it as short as possible. PM's announcement is the best possible course in the given circumstances. Defence Minister Rajnath Singh also hailed Prime Minister Narendra Modi's announcement. He tweeted, "This decision has been taken keeping in mind the well-being of our countrymen. Keeping in mind his appeal, all of us should implement the 7 guidelines of lockdown that PM shared. I am sure the collective willpower of the nation will succeed in defeating coronavirus. In this time of crisis, the nation must stay safe, remain alert and cooperate with authorities. We must stand united. This is our greatest strength." With Prime Minister Narendra Modi announcing extension of the lockdown till the 3rd of May 2020, Union Minister Prakash Javadekar hailed PM's decision. The Union Minister also urged people to follow the lockdown devotedly.
मुझे लगता है कि देश सुनेगा, 130 करोड़ जनता पूरी ताकत से इस लॉकडाउन में शरीक होगी। उन्होंने गरीबों की चिंता की है, रोज का काम करके पेट भरने वालों की चिंता की है। उसके बारे में कल कुछ उपाय भी घोषित होंगे। मुझे पूरा विश्वास है, कुछ मार्गदर्शक सूत्र कल घोषित होने वाले हैं। मुझे पूरा विश्वास है कि देश की जनता पूरा सहयोग देगी।
Madhya Pradesh Chief Minister Shivraj Singh Chauhan has said that the state administration as well as the people of Madhya Pradesh will fully cooperate to make the extension of lockdown a success.
सारा देश और मध्य प्रदेश भी उन्होंने जो रास्ता दिखाया है, दिशा दिखाई है कोरोना को परास्त करने के लिए, उसी रास्ते पर चलेगा। उनके आह्वान का हम अक्षरशः पालन करेंगे। कल विस्तार से गाइडलाइन घोषित की जाएगी। उन गाइडलाइन के आधार पर मध्य प्रदेश भी अपनी रणनीति बनाएगा और 3 तारीख तक, 3 मई तक मध्य प्रदेश में भी लॉकडाउन रहेगा।
Karnataka Chief Minister B.S. Yediyurappa has welcomed Prime Minister's decision to extend the lockdown till the 3rd of May. He assured that the state government will continue to follow the lockdown more stringently till the 20th of April, as Prime Minister said, and the situation will be closely monitored. He also sought people's cooperation.
Our government will strictly implement the Government of India guidelines, which will be issued tomorrow, lockdown will be followed more strictly till April 20, as Prime Minister said, and the situation will be closely monitored. I appeal to the people of Karnataka to voluntarily cooperate with us to contain this disease.
Health Minister of Kerala, K.K. Shailja, welcomed PM Modi's announcement. She said that states will now take steps for the smooth implementation of the lockdown till the 3rd of May.
Yes, we expected that up to April 30th, there is a chance to extend this lockdown and stringent actions. And the Prime Minister said that it is extended to May 3rd. And the state should have to discuss about that and to modulate our own system, what is the action plan afterwards.
The Labour Ministry has set up 20 control rooms under the office of the Chief Labour Commissioner on pan-India basis due to issues arising in the backdrop of COVID-19. These include control rooms have been set up to address wage-related grievances of workers employed in the central sphere, the ministry said, adding that it would also work to mitigate the problems of migrant workers through coordination with various state governments. These call centers can be accessed by the workers through phone numbers, WhatsApp and emails. All the concerned officials have been advised to adopt a humane approach to assist the aggrieved workmen to the maximum extent possible and ensure delivery of timely relief to the needy ones. Earlier, the Labour Ministry had also issued an advisory to employers to desist from any retrenchment or pay cuts during the lockdown period. In continuation of the measures taken in the wake of COVID-19 lockdown, it has been decided that all passenger train services on Indian Railways, including premium trains, Mailer Express trains, passenger trains, suburban trains, Kolkata, Metro Rail, Konkan Railway, etc., shall continue to remain cancelled till the 3rd of May. To ensure the essential supplies in various parts of the country, movement of goods and parcel trains will continue. No booking of any type of tickets, including e-tickets, shall be done till further advice. However, facility of online cancellation will remain functional for ticket bookings. All counters for ticket booking for UTS and PRS will remain closed till further orders. Full refund will be given for tickets for the bookings made for the trains cancelled. Full refund will also be there for those cancelling the advance bookings of tickets for trains not yet cancelled. As far as trains cancelled up to the 3rd of May 2020 is concerned, the refunds would be automatically remitted by the railways online to the customers, while those who have booked across the counters, refund can be taken up to the 31st of July 2020. In addition to this, aviation services will also remain suspended in the meantime. Ministry of Civil Aviation has announced that all the domestic and international scheduled airlines operations should also remain suspended till 11:59 p.m. on the 3rd of May 2020. The Delhi Police has clarified that the movement passes already issued by Delhi Police to those who are providing essential services will be valid till the 3rd of May. E-passes issued by Delhi government will be honoured by all police personnel on duty if accompanied by original message of use on mobile phone and ID proof. Today marks the 129th birth anniversary of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. On the occasion, President Ramnath Kovind paid tributes to Baba Saheb Bhimrao Ambedkar at Rashtrapati Bhavan. Yesterday, President had urged citizens to celebrate Ambedkar Jayanti at their home, keeping in mind the COVID-19 situation. Vice President Ambedkar Naidu also paid floral tributes to the chief architect of the Indian Constitution at the Rashtrapati Bhavan. Now, some celebrity messages on combating COVID-19. Film actor Arshad Warsi has put out a video message on how to prevent oneself from COVID-19.
ये कोरोना वायरस है ना, ये मुझे मेरी मम्मी की याद दिलाता है। मम्मी हमेशा कहती थी, कभी कभी घर पे बैठा करो हमारे साथ। आज पूरा देश घर पे बैठा है। मम्मी कहा करती थी कि छींकते वक्त मुंह बंद कर लिया करो, खास तौर पे अगर आसपास में लोग हो। आजकल आसपास में जब लोग होते तो मुझे ये पहन के घूमना पड़ता है। तो आप भी अकेले में छींकेगा, आसपास में लोग हो तो छींकेगा मत, ये पहनिएगा। मम्मी कहा करती थी कि बाहर से आने के बाद हाथ धोया करो, खाना खाने के पहले हाथ धोया करो, खाना खाने के बाद हाथ धोया करो, दिन में 10-15 बार हाथ धोया करो। अच्छी बात है, समझ में तब नहीं आया, अब आया। अब दिन में 20 बार हाथ धोता हूँ, और जब हाथ नहीं धोता हूँ तो मेरे कुत्ते भी मेरे पास नहीं बैठते हैं। Our administration is doing everything to help you. Don't make it difficult for them. Please, let them help you. Stay positive, stay home, stay safe, play your part.
With that appeal, we come to the close of this news bulletin, but do remember to keep washing your hands, to keep using sanitizers, and to wear face masks wherever you can. That's it then. Thanks for watching.